Mathematics class 11 chapter 6 linear inequalities. In the last class we have studied exercise 6.2. Today we shall study some questions from exercise 6.3. Solve the following inequalities graphically. Question number 1, x greater than equal to 3, y greater than equal to 2. So when you take this x equal to 3 and y equal to 2, the line when you draw x equal to 3, for all the values or any value of y, x value will be 3. So when you draw on a graph, it will give you a vertical line parallel to y-axis, and this is x is equal to 3. And for any value of x, y equal to 2. So y value is fixed 2. And if you draw this graph, it will be the horizontal line parallel to x-axis, y equal to 2. This is the line. Okay. Now let us find the shaded region. Putting 0, 0 in x greater than equal to 3. 0, you put here 0, so 0 greater than equal to 3, which is false. Therefore, half plane of x greater than equal to 3 is away from the origin. So for this, the shaded region will be towards this side, okay, away from the origin. Again, putting 0, 0 in y greater than equal to 2. So you put here 0, 0 greater than equal to 2, which is false, because 0 cannot be greater than 2, therefore it is false. Therefore, half plane of y greater than equal to 2 is away from the origin. So this is y equal to 2, so the shaded region will be away from here, so upward. So the common region for these two is this part, right? You can see here blue line also is there, green line also is there. Therefore this is the common region or the solution region. That is solution for question number 1. Question number 2, 3x plus 2y less than equal to 11, x greater than equal to 1, y greater than equal to 2. So let us take the point to draw this line, 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Okay. So now let us take x and y value. So you take y equal to 0. So when you take y equal to 0, 3x is equal to 12. Divide by 3, so you get x value as 4. Next you take x value as 0. So you get 2y equal to 12. Cut by 2, so you get y value as 6. And this will be x is equal to 1 line and y equal to 2 line. So let us draw the graph. When you take x equal to 4, y equal to 0, so that is this point. When x equal to 0, y is equal to 6, that is this point. This green line represents this line, that is 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Okay, and when you draw x is equal to 1, that will be this vertical line parallel to y axis, x is equal to 1. Okay, and when you draw y equal to 2, it will be the parallel to x axis and horizontal line y equal to 2 passing from these two, y value 2. Okay, and here x value is 1. So this is the graph of the three equations. Putting 0, 0 in 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12. So put here 0 plus 0 gives you 0 less than equal to 12, which is true. 0 is less than 12 is true. Therefore, half plane of 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12 is towards the origin. So this is my line, green line, and I have drawn the shaded region towards this side, right? So towards this side, that means this is the shaded region which contains origin. Putting 0, 0 in x greater than equal to 1. So 0 greater than equal to 1, which is false, right? 0 cannot be greater than 1. Therefore, half plane of x greater than equal to 1 is away from the origin. So this is x is equal to 1 line, and this blue line is the away from the origin. So this is a shaded region for x is equal to 1. Putting 0, 0 in y greater than equal to 2, 0 greater than equal to 2, which is false. 0 cannot be greater than 2, therefore it is false. Therefore, half plane of y greater than equal to 2 is away from the origin or 0, 0. So this is my y equal to 2 line, and this green line you can see that is away from the origin. Now the common region is this part, right? This is the region which is common, that will be the solution region. So that is solution for question number 2. Question number 3, 2x plus y greater than equal to 6, 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. Let us draw the graph. First take y equal to 0, that means 2x equal to 6, divide by 2, so you get x value as 3. Now take x value as 0, that means y value is 6. Okay, these are the 2 points for the first line. Second line, take y equal to 0, 3x equal to 12, cut by 3, so x value is 4. Now take x value as 0, so 4y equal to 12, so y value will be 3, because 4y equal to 12, so y value is 3. Now let us draw the graph. So using the points which we have selected. So when you are taking x equal to 3, y equal to 0, so x3, y0 is this point. Okay. Now when x is 0, y is 6, that is this point. Draw the line. This red line is the line 2x plus y equal to 6. Okay, this is red line. Now for this, when x is 4, y is 0. So x is 4, y is 0, that is this point. When x is 0, y is 3, that is this point. This green line represents 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Okay, this line is drawn here by now green line. Now we have to find the shaded region. Okay, the solution. Putting 0 0 in 2x plus y greater than equal to 6, 0 greater than equal to 6, which is false. You know here 0 plus 0, 0 greater than 6, which is not true. Therefore half plane of 2x plus y greater than equal to 6 is away from the origin. So this is the line and this is the shaded region which is away from the origin. Origin is here, it is away from the origin. Putting 0 0 in 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. Now we put 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 less than equal to 12. So 0 less than 12, which is true, right? 0 is always less than 12. Therefore half plane of 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12 is towards the origin. So for this green line I have shaded the region towards the origin. Origin is here, so it is towards the origin. So that is solution for question number 3. Question number 4. X plus y greater than equal to 4, 2x minus y less than 0. Let us take the points. For this, when you take y equal to 0, x value is 4. When you take x equal to 0, y equal to 4. For this, when you take x value is 0, y value also will be 0. Why? Because you have to consider 2x equal minus y equal to 0. Okay, so you have to take equal to 0. So that means when you take x value 0, y also will be 0. When you take x equal to 2, that means 2 into 2 4. So y value will be 4. Okay, so now let us plot the graph. For this, let us take when x is equal to 4, y equal to 0. So 0 and 4 here. Okay, then x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. So y here. Okay, this is the one, this point and this point. Draw the line. This line is x plus y equal to 4. Now second, 0 0, that is origin. I am taking x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. So here x equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, it will be somewhere here. Okay, this you can just rearrange this graph. This graph is, I think there is a mistake. Okay, you just correct yourself. This 2 and 4 will be here. So this is the point. Okay, so you will draw a straight line passing from here like this. Okay, just correct it. Okay, this is not correct. By mistake I have taken 4 2. Okay, I have taken 4 and 2, so it is wrong. So what you have to do is you correct it by taking this point I have taken. Okay, 4 and 2. You take the point, x value as 2 and y value as 4, so the point will come somewhere here. Okay, shaded region will be, shaded region is same, so there is no problem, but please correct it. Okay, so you take x equal to 2, y equal to 4, so up to here. Okay, so this dashed line will be this side. Okay, going like this. So this line you are calling x plus y equal to 4, and this line which will come from here, okay, it will be like this. So that line will be that line will be 2x minus y equal to 0. Okay, please make the correction. Okay, now putting 0 0 in x plus y greater than equal to 0, 0 plus 0, that is 0 greater than equal to 4, which is false. Therefore half plane of x plus y greater than equal to, here also 4, is away from the origin. Okay, away from the origin, I have corrected here. So that means for this red I have drawn the shaded region away from the origin. Putting 4 0. Now what happens? I cannot put 0 0 because 0 0 is on the line. We are supposed to take point which is not on the line. So I take any point. I am taking the point on the x-axis. So I am taking the point 4 0. Okay, this point I am taking 4 0. That is this point. X is 4 and y is 0. So this point I am taking. Now we will put here 2x minus y less than 0. Okay, in this second inequality. So 4 into 2, that is 8, minus y is 0. So minus 0 equal to 8 minus 0 is 8, less than 0, which is false, right? So it is not true. Therefore half plane of 2x minus y less than 0 is away from 4 0. So 4 0 is here, right? So the shaded region will be away. So this is towards this side. Okay, when 0 0 is also the one of the point on the line, don't take that point, take other point. Okay, so I am taking the point here which is this side, and other point will be this side. So now I am getting the inequality false. If you are getting inequality false, that means the point is not in the region. That means it is away from here. So this is a shaded region, right? So this is shaded region. But before that, please clear this. Okay, make the correction. This should be passing from 2. It will be here. Let me just make it point at least so you can draw yourself. This is 2 and this is 4. Okay, so somewhere here. This point will be somewhere here. So this line which is passing from here will pass from here. Okay, please make the correction. You will pass origin, yes, and one more will pass. So dash line you draw because it is strictly less than. So you have to draw dash line. See, I have drawn the dash, and this you have drawn correct solid line. Why? Because it is greater than equal to is there. Okay, so please make that correction. Question number 5. 2x minus y greater than 1, x minus 2y less than minus 1. Okay, let us find the point first. So when you take y value as 0, 2x is equal to 1, so x value will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Okay, Now next you take x value as 0, so y value will be minus y equal to 1. So here y value will be minus 1. Okay, so you take minus 1 here. Now similarly for here, when you take y value as 0, x value is minus 1. And when you take x value as 0, 2y equal to minus 1, minus minus cut, 2 transfer, and 1 by 2 will give you 0.5. Okay, so the points are minus 1, 0, 0, 0.5, and for these 0.5, 0, 0, minus 1. So let us plot the graph. So x-axis, y-axis. Okay, here it is only 1 point, so I have just drawn small graph, that 0 to 1, 0 to minus 1, 0 to 1, and 0 to minus 1. Okay, so let us take the points now first. When x y equal to 0, x value is 0.5, so here 1, so here will be half of it, so I'll just roughly it will be here. Okay, then when x is 0, y is minus 1, so x is 0, this one, and y is minus 1, that is this one. Then you draw this line, this green line will be the line, first one, 2x minus y equal to 1. Okay, that is the first line. Then for second, when x is minus 1, that is this one, y is 0, so this point. Okay, when x is 0, y is 0.5, so this is this one. Here 0 to 1 I have taken, so this half will be the 0.5. Draw this line, this blue line. Here write the line x minus 2y equal to minus 1. Okay, so these are the graph. Now let us find the shaded region. Putting 0, 0 in 2x minus y greater than 1, 0 greater than 1. Okay, you put here 0, 0, so 0 greater than 1, which is false. Therefore, half plane of 2x minus y greater than 1 is away from the origin. Okay, so this is away from the origin. Okay, I have shaded over this side, right? So it is away from the origin. Putting 0, 0 in x minus 2y less than minus 1. So you put 0, so 0 less than minus 1, which is false, right? 0 cannot be less than minus 1 because this is negative value. Therefore, half plane of x minus 2y less than minus 1 is away from the origin. So here also this blue line is away from the origin, right? So this is away from the origin. So that is solution for question number 5. Question number 6, x plus y less than equal to 6, x plus y greater than equal to 4. For this, let us take the points first. So you have to consider equal to sign. Okay, we do not write, but you have to understand that when I am drawing the line, I am taking equal to sign. When you take y equal to 0, x value will be 6. When you take x equal to 0, y value will be 6. Here also same, when you take y value 0, x value will be 4. When you take x value 0, y value will be 4. Let us draw the graph. X-axis, y-axis, origin. Okay, when x is equal to 6, y is 0. So 6 and 0, this point. Then when y is 6, x is 0. So this point. This red line is your line, x plus y equal to 6. This is the line. Okay, and for second, when x is 4, y is 0. So 4, 0, this point. And 0 and 4, that is this point. Draw this. This is the green line given by x plus y equal to 4. Now let us find the shaded region. Putting 0, 0 in x plus y less than equal to 6. So 0 plus 0 less than 6. 0 less than 6, which is true. Therefore, half plane of x plus y less than equal to 6 is towards the origin. So this for this towards the origin, right? Towards this side, towards the origin. Putting 0, 0 in x plus y greater than equal to 4, 0 greater than equal to 4, which is not true, means which is a false. Therefore, half plane is away from the origin. So for the green line, I have drawn it away from here. So the common region is the middle region. So that will be the solution region. That is the solution for question number 6. Question number 7, 2x plus y greater than equal to 8, x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. So let us find the point first. So when you take y value 0, 2x equal to 8, divide by 2, so x value is 4. Okay, y 0, x is 4. Now take x value as 0, so y equal to 8. For this, take y value as 0, that means x value will be 10. Take x value as 0, that is 2y equal to 10, divide by 2, so y value will be 5. Okay, now let us draw the graph. So when x is 4, y is 0. So when x is 4, y is 0, that is this point. Okay, it should be here 0 and 4. 4 and 0, not 0, 4, 4, 0. Then when x is 0, y is 8. So it will be on the y-axis, this point. This green line which I have drawn, joining 4 and this 8 gives you 2x plus y equal to 8, the first line. For the second line, when x is 10, y is 0. So x is 10, y is 0 is this point. Then x is 0, y is 5, that is this point. Okay, 4 and 6, between them is this point. So draw this line. The blue line represents x plus 2y equal to 10. Now we have to find the shaded region. Putting 0, 0 in 2x plus y greater than equal to 8. So 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 8, which is not true, means it is false, right? 0 greater than 8 is not true. Therefore half plane of 2x plus y greater than equal to 8 is away from the origin. So for this I am drawing away from the origin, okay, the green line. Then second one is putting 0 0 in x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. Here also when you put here 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 10, which is false. Therefore half plane of x plus y to y greater than equal to 10 is away from origin or 0 0. So this also is away from the origin. So the shaded region which is common to both the line are this one, okay, from here to here. So from here it will start common region. Here you can see only green, here only blue, so not taking that, but where you can see blue and green both, that will be the common region, and that will be the solution for question number 7. Question number 8, x plus y less than equal to 9, y greater than x, and x is greater than equal to 0. So for the first, let us take the point. If I take y value as 0, x value will be 9. If you take x value as 0, then y value will be 9. For this, if you take x value 0, y will be 0. If you take y equal to 2, x value also will be 2. Why? Because you have to take equality, y equal to x, this equation. And x greater than equal to 0, that means it is the first quadrant, okay? Not first quadrant, but this part, okay? The above part, the positive part of positive part, okay? The positive part is towards this side, the x positive is this side. Putting 0 0 in x plus y less than equal to 9, 0 less than equal to 9, which is true, right? Because 0, if you put 0 0 less than 9, therefore half plane of x plus y less than equal to 9 is towards the origin. Now here let us put this point first, okay? So when you take x is equal to 9 and y equal to 0, so this point. Then second one is x is 0, y is 9, that is this point. This red line is your x plus y equal to 9, and this one is passing from the origin, okay? And I have taken one more point, 2 2 is here, and you draw this will be dashed line because it is strictly greater than, okay? It is a dashed line, y minus x equal to 0. Why? Because I have transferred this x equal to this x which is here, I have transferred here, so it becomes y minus x equal to 0. You can write y equal to x also, there is no problem, but I have just written y minus x equal to 0, okay? And for this line 0 is included, so towards the inside, okay, towards the origin. Putting 3 0. Now here for the second line I cannot put 0 0 because 0 0 is on the line, so I am taking any other point. I am taking point on the x-axis, okay? 3 0 is this point, so I am taking putting 3 0 in y minus x, so y 0 minus 3. So you get here sorry, here mistake is there, let me correct it. You take the point 0 3, okay? I mean to say 0 3 only, but I have written 3 0. So this is on the y-axis, okay? This point, see here, this is the point, okay? I am taking this point 0 3. So let us put y equal to 3 and x is equal to 0. So 3 minus 0 greater than equal to 0. So here you can see 3 minus 0 equal to 3 greater than 0 is true, right? Because 3 is greater than 0 is true. Therefore half plane of y greater than x is towards 0 3. 0 3 is this side, so I have shaded the region over here, right? You can see the region which is shaded is towards this side, the green line, okay? So that is the shaded region. So this will be the common region to both, so that will be the solution region. We'll keep this much for today. Thank you very much.